everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In this video, we are going to create a user interface of login system using Python. In the next video, we are going to make this user interface functional. If you are enjoying my content, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. In the last video, we have seen how to create buttons in Tkinter. In this window, you can see a box in which you can type anything. This is called entry. If you want to know how to create an entry and also change the icon of the window, watch this video till the end. Without any further delay, let's have fun with code. I've created a simple Tkinter window, but whenever you run the program, the window is not maximized by default. What if we want the window to be maximized by default? You can do that. You can do that using .state. Let's say root.state and we want it to be zoomed. Let's save the program, and now when you run the program you will get a maximized Tkinter window. Now let's change the background color of the window. You can use hex code, RGB, or the name of the color. It's red or black, but I like to use hex code. Now let's run the program and see how it looks. Now the background is changed, but comparing to this window, there is a white rectangle at the center. Now this is a canvas and all the widgets are inside this canvas. So let's create a canvas. And let's set the width of the canvas. The width should be 500 and height should be 400. Now in this case we are not going to pack or grid the canvas, we are going to place the canvas. Main canvas dot place x is equal to 750 and y is equal to 400 and anchor is equal to center. Now let's save the program, and now if you run the program you can see a white rectangle at the center of the window. Now let's create a label called enter the username, password and mobile number. Username is equal to ttk dot label. This should be inside root, and the text is equal to enter a username. Now let's copy this line and paste it more 3 times. Now let's place them. Username dot place x is equal to 250 and y is equal to 200. Now let's save the program and then let's see if it works. The username is out of the canvas, so let's pack it inside the canvas. Now remove the root and make it main canvas. Main canvas. Now let's run the program and you'll see a label called enter a username, but it's not correctly aligned. Let's bring the username to left. So let's have changed the x coordinate to 90 and y to 250 and increased by 30 to other labels. Now let's change the background of the labels. Now let's create a variable called style is equal to ttk dot style. Style dot configure, this is t label, and we want the background color. We want the same background color, so let's copy the hex code and paste it here. Now let's save the program, and now if you run the program, you see that background color is changed, but the text inside the text is not visible. So let's change the foreground to white. White. Now you can see the text and the background is changed. Now let's create entries. We are going to create three entries. One is per username, another one is password, and the third one is per mobile number. So let's create a variable called take username is equal to ttk dot entry, and this is inside main canvas, and the width of the entry is 50. Now let's create another three entries called. Now let's place the entries. Let's try x at 330 and y at 250, and the anchor will be center. Now let's save the program and run and see if it works. Yes, it is perfect. Now let's place the other three entries. X will be the same, which is 330 and Y will be 280 and anchor is center. X will be the same, which is 330 and Y is 310. Anchor will be center. Now let's save the program and see if it works. And it's perfect. You can enter anything in here. Now let's add logo to the window. It's a very simple step. root.iconbitmap and then the file path, which is and make sure that the image format is ICO. Now let's save the program and run, and now you can see this window have an icon. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.